Hi there. Welcome back to our next video on Java programming. In this video we will learn to write our first Java program. We will discuss how and where to write our program. We will also talk about main method. Then we will talk about where to save it and how can we execute the program. So all excited to know? Let's start doing it. First of all, open Notepad or any other text editor. I am doing it on Notepad. Write the code as you can see in the video. You have to start your program with class keyword and give name to the class. In this example I have given demo. Open the curly braces as the scope for the class. In the next line you have to write the main method for your program. In Java we write main method as public static void main with a string array argument. Argument name could be anything, it's just a variable name. In the scope of main you have to write your message to be printed on the console. System.out.println is used to print the message on console. I am writing here, hello Java learners. This is our first program. Write the code same as the video shows. Now save your program with the .java extension as you can see it, and save it in your folder. Just remember the location of your program. I have saved it on desktop. In the first video we have set our environment variable, hope you remember that. Now open command prompt and go to your folder using change directory command. On command prompt write javac demo.java. Now you can see a new file is created with the same name of your class with .class extension. Now your program is compiled and ready to run. To run your program write Java followed with your class name, like Java demo. You can see the output on your console. Now you have written your first program in Java. Isn't it easy? If you find difficult in doing the program, just play the video again and follow the steps as shown. You can do it easily. Hope you liked this session. We will learn about Java statements in our next session. Till then, happy coding. Thank you.